What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit, and welcome to another house tour. Hey! We've been staying in General Luna area, southern part of Siargao for 3 months now, or more than 3 months, and we finally decided to see some new places, discover new beaches. Martin and I will be living in this beautiful homestay for the next month, or maybe 2 months, or maybe 3 months. We'll see how it goes. We're playing by the ear, and if you guys don't know, we are full-time travel vloggers. My name is Avelovinit, and the one behind the camera is Martin Salhagen, my fiance. We got engaged in this beautiful island of Siargao, the surfing capital of the Philippines, last January 2020. We decided to travel around the Philippines and stay here during the lockdown. So we are currently staying in a very local community called Barangay Tangbo, which is located a few minutes from Alegria. This is a 3-room homestay, and we're pretty lucky that we're the only ones who will be staying here for the next 1 month. Upon entering, you'll see a sunken sala, or sunken living room, where it's a common area. Basically, there's a lot of books and magazines that you can read. There's no cellular signal here in this area. Having books is a great idea, not to get bored. They do have a Wi-Fi, but it comes on and off. But you know what? It's okay. We want to take a break from the social media from time to time, even if it's our work.
Just chill like this.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. I recently learned that this is also referred to as a communication or conversation pit.
Oh, okay.
So, and now I kind of understand why we could have conversations here.
The fence, it's made out of bamboo. Very nice, and they're also very eco-friendly here. You can see they're growing some ampalaya or maybe eggplant. We'll see. They just put it here maybe a month ago. This is the common dining area. They don't have a dining table, but they do have this, a bar. I really like this stool, and this makes me feel like I'm in a Viking ship. They also include coffee, tea, and water, including in our rent, monthly rent.
Meaning if you stay here, you have all these things accessible for you.
Yeah.
And that dining table you talked about earlier, she told me that they're going to build something like that here. It's just not finished yet.
Barbecue area. Okay, so this is our kitchen. The thing that I like about this is that it's an open kitchen. Things that you need for coffee, a coffee maker, a gas stove, very important, because in this island we experience a lot of blackouts or brownouts. Having a gas stove is very important in cooking meals. Also, to save a lot of money instead of dining out every time we eat. Also, a lot of people might think that just because we're living in the northern part of Siargao, it doesn't mean we're limited to the stocks like wine. Every week there's an Italian store that delivers wines, cold cuts, cheese, pastas, and they even have a list, very reasonable to be honest, for wines and those kind of stuff that we need. So this is a dorm type, which can fit 8 people, 2 couples, and 4 single people. And it's air-conditioned room, very spacious. This is a king-size bed, charging areas, sockets. They do have a lamp, reading lamp.
It's very comfortable actually. I wouldn't mind sleeping here.
It looks so spacious. And it comes with a towel. Not a lot of hostels gives you free towel. They usually charge if you borrow towels. They have curtains for privacy, of course. We don't want other people seeing us sleeping. So this part is for solo travelers. Just like in the couple's bed, they have USB connectors. When you need to charge your phone or your laptop, they have a reading lamp. 4 people here, 2 couples, and 4 single travelers. There's a door that leads to the common bathroom. They have 2 sinks, toilets, and the
Wow, let's have a look at that.
Hot and cold shower. And this is the toilet. I'm not sure where the, yeah. It's a toilet, very private.
Cool.
So there are 2 toilets and there are 2 showers, and they even have a cabinet or closet
that you can lock.
Yeah. If you go here or you stay in like dormitories, hostels, bring a lock with you. Now right here is the cabinet for single beds. Yes. And
another set of toilets right here. Very nice.
Yeah.
And here you can
hang your clothes, your wet clothes, or if you want to do your laundry, you can hang here. There's an area for that.
Nice.
Here we have an open shower. This homestay is located 5 minutes from the beach. It's just a 5-minute walk.
Yeah, earlier I had to ask you about this because I was like, oh, this is so painful to walk on, but you actually had a theory for this.
A lot of countries like China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and even Singapore has these in some parks, and they said it's good for the blood circulation for your feet. I'm not sure if that's for it or it's a decoration, but I'm pretty sure that's for the blood circulation. It's nice to walk around from time to time here. Yeah.
It actually makes sense because I can already tell from just standing here. It hurts, but it is doing something to the under my feet.
Let's move forward to the 2nd floor.
Oh, you're in 2nd floor?
Yeah.
Joke, I knew that, but I'm excited. I love this staircase.
Yeah. I like how big the windows are. So this is an open area where you can do a little bit of work. They do some gardening here. Lettuce for Korean barbecue. Pechay.
That looks so nice.
Onion leeks. Aloe vera. And there's even an area where you can work or have breakfast.
Look at the view of this place. It's very beautiful. And this porch is welcoming you into the jungle.
Now that we're done with the porch, let's proceed to the private rooms. We'll be only showing you one room because our room is messy. Let's go to the clean room.
Yeah.
This is the private room. It has its own bathroom, and upon entering you have your open closet. Come in, come in.
Thank you.
It's an air-conditioned room, and this bathroom. You know when the owner is Asian. You know why?
How?
The toilet has a bidet.
Taught myself how to use that one.
It's a hot and cold shower. I like the accent that they use.
Yeah.
Old coffee sack and turn it into a curtain.
That door is also quite special. Yeah, that's quite cool. Nice.
It's like a closet.
Hello.
This is the bedroom.
Wow.
This is a king size bed, but you can actually divide this into 2 beds, like 2 single beds. And they do have some ports there.
Nice. So there you go. They've thought about this. This is always an issue when we travel. As digital nomads, we need power and electricity and
right beside.
Yeah, right beside you.
Our bed. Yeah. So this is the porch.
Wow, it's like the jungle. You're just walking into the jungle.
Yeah.
Swing. How is it?
If you guys want to book this homestay, I will put their Airbnb link right below and also their Instagram link. So you can either book through Instagram or Airbnb. But I do have an Airbnb discount code, which is always on the description box. You can get 20 up to 40 US dollars off upon your booking. So check it out.
Oh, that's pretty good.
I don't think we're done yet with the tour.
Why?
Because I want to show to you guys our backyard, which is 5 minutes walk. Are you guys okay with that?
Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, Martin and I switch into our swimwear. I'm wearing bikini underneath this dress, and we'll show you guys our backyard. Well, it is a 5-minute walk to the beach, and we'll show you how to get there. As I mentioned earlier in this vlog, our homestay is located in Barangay Tangbo, right after Alegria. This is the house, and that's the path leading to the beach.
can see the water in the end. It's maybe 200 meters.
Yeah, so it's very local here. Local homes. I think Martin is the only foreigner that's currently staying here in this barangay. We've been blessed with the beautiful weather. A lot of coconut trees. Very peaceful. All you can hear are the chickens. The roosters. It's so green and lush. There are no concrete roads here.
You gotta watch out for falling coconuts though.
Yeah. I really love Northern Siargao. I feel like it's very underrated. That is why you guys should check Northern Siargao on your next visit, or if you visit Siargao for the first time. We're almost there. Hi po.
Wow, this beach right by the house?
Yeah, this is our backyard. Who needs a swimming pool if we have the ocean?
And guess what? There's no one here.
Yeah. Very lucky with that. Oh, it's high tide as well. Well, almost high tide.
Wow. Beautiful place.
It's been raining for 4 days straight. That's why there's a lot of seaweeds that was washed out here. But other than that, it's very clean and peaceful.
Guilt is burning, my stomach's yearning for the way that you touch me. Guilt is burning, my stomach's yearning for the way that you touch me. I don't want any love, but you right by me. 'Cause you got that good, good love, and you may drive me insane. But you do it in all the right ways, and I can't complain, I can't complain. 'Cause when I need your touch, and when I feel your heartbeat, I know that I'm standing next to you, and I know that it's all that I need. I've got that good, good love, and you may drive me insane, but you do it in all the right ways, and I can't complain, I can't complain. You got that good, good love. You got that good, good love. You got that good, good love. You got that good, good love.
Okay, now that we changed into our bikini and we're done with our new house tour, it's time to enjoy this beautiful beach before it rains again, because it's rainy season here in the Philippines now. Also, if you guys want to visit this place, make sure that whatever trash you bring with you, always take it back with you as well. We don't want to see a beautiful place like this get ruined by tourists. Be a responsible tourist.
And if you're more curious to other things you can do up here in the north, remember to check out the Marva Vlogs playlist. We will be releasing, I think, up to 20 to 30 guides of things, activities, restaurants, hotels, stuff to do up here. So stay tuned, there's more to come.
Always remember to respect the locals whenever you visit a new place as well. So, I guess it's time to end the vlog. Make sure to subscribe to Martin if you haven't done that yet. Together we are Marva, and we are full-time travel vloggers We're here in the beautiful island of Siargao. The Philippines playlist is also below in the link or right there. So make sure to check it out when you guys have time. Or there's something to binge watch if you guys are bored. Yeah. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next Marvel vlog, travel vlog, cooking vlog, sit down vlog. Bye!